Welcome back to Car Updater. Today, we're diving into the best cheap mods to make your truck look expensive without draining your wallet. Whether you're driving a Ford F-150, Chevy Silverado, Ram 1500, or even a Toyota Hilux, these budget-friendly upgrades will give you a ride that luxury truck vibe. LED headlight conversion kits, $50 to $100. Swapping your factory halogens with LED headlights instantly makes your truck look modern and high-end. You get brighter lights, better visibility, and that sleek, clean white look. Grill inserts or custom grills, $60 to $150. A new aftermarket grill adds a custom, premium appearance to your front end. Go with a black mesh or chrome finish depending on your style. Tailgate assist, $25 to $40. This simple mod not only feels luxurious, but also adds convenience. A tailgate damper gives your truck a soft open feature just like on high-end models. Vinyl wrap accents, $30 to $100. Add touches of carbon fiber wrap on your mirrors, door handles, or interior trim. It gives your truck that premium interior finish seen in luxury vehicles. Wheel spacers, $50 to $80. Make your wheels sit flush with the fenders using wheel spacers. It enhances the stance and gives your truck a beefier, expensive look. 6. Chrome trim kits, $40 to $90. Install chrome door handle covers, mirror caps, or window trim. Chrome instantly gives off an upscale vibe and mimics the look of luxury trims. LED underglow lights, $40 to $75. Tasteful LED underglow gives your truck a futuristic appearance. Make sure to choose subtle colors and avoid overdoing it. Bed LED lighting, $30 to $60. A simple LED bed light kit adds functionality and style. It also looks professional and high-end during night use. Emblem overlays or blackout kits, $15 to $50. Custom emblems or blackout badge kits let you personalize your ride. It removes the stock look and gives a more customized, expensive truck style. Window tint, $100 to $200. It's a little more expensive but makes a massive difference in looks and comfort. A quality ceramic window tint offers UV protection and a slick, premium feel. All of these truck mods under $200 can be done yourself and are great budget truck upgrades. They may be cheap, but they'll have people guessing your truck cost a fortune. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Updater for more truck accessories tips, pickup mod guides, and budget-friendly customization ideas.